we're going to continue on with our fireside sips with our fruity cocktail called the Boondock. So the very first thing that we're going to start with is our fruit juices. We're going to do some freshly squeezed lime juice. That's going to be a half ounce. Then we're going to do an ounce and a half of the pineapple juice. And then an ounce and a half of unsweetened green tea. We have an ounce of Appleton Rum. And then we also have an ounce of the Grand Marnier orange liqueur. After we have all of those wonderful ingredients together, we shall shake. Grab your coupe, and we're gonna serve this baby straight up. Garnish with a nice lime wheel. And there you have it, the Boondock. Cheers.